Kobuk Valley National Park, the complete guide to Alaska's national parks. While you can see caribou migrating through many of Alaska's national parks, it's on the eastern frontier of Kobuk Valley National Park that you'll see them splash across the Great Kobuk River during their fall migration as they jet out onto the Onion Portage Peninsula. Good to know, for 8,000 years, Onion Portage has been home, albeit briefly, to many different nomadic cultures that survived by hunting and fishing. The ancestors of the modern Inupiat hunted here. Fun fact, wild onions grow along the banks of the Kobuk River, giving the Onion Portage its name. Getting to the park, very remote, with no accessible roads, small planes are the only way to reach the park. Fly into either Anchorage or Fairbanks, take a commercial plane to Kotzebue or Bettles, and then take an air taxi to the park.